Students, now let us look at the planning horizons for logistics. There are three basic planning horizons which are similar to the management one, which are strategic, tactical, as well as operational. So let us look at it in detail, that what we will be looking at from the perspective of logistics. If you see this diagram, we have a strategic decision making. That strategic decision making is mainly concerned with the customer service, the channel of distribution, the supply points, where it should be located, and what would be the channel of distribution. For example, whether you are taking a wholesaler as part of your distribution, or you are taking only the end retailers as a part of your distribution, or are there some distributing company involved in it. ये decisions जो हैं वो strategic decisions के अंदर आपके पास आएंगे. Then we have the production locations, where the manufacturing facilities would be located. Again, एक long term or strategic decision. Of course, strategic decisions, if you can remember, the decisions which will have the impact for more than a year. Of course, ये वो decisions हैं जो आपकी supply chain network और आपके network design में भी बहुत important है. We will be looking at the logistical networks in the coming sessions as well. Then there is a depot configuration. Depot configuration means where would you locate your warehouses, where would you locate your, for example, terminals, where would you locate your, let's say, cross docks in case of Walmart or some other companies if they are using such type of warehouses. Then the depot type and number, कौन सा होगा depot, यानी warehouse कैसा होगा, and how many numbers do you require of some specific warehouse. For example, Walmart would use 6 different type of cross docks, 6 different working उनकी जो है वो defined है, and they would have distributed it in their network as per their demand, as per their supply. उसकी बेस पर determine किया गया है कि कौन सा cross dock कहाँ पर use करना है. Location and size of depot, of course. Then transportation model choice. Then you would have a third party or on account. आपके पास third party logistics भी involve हो सकती है. Direct delivery mode भी हो सकता है. Direct delivery mode, let's say for Dell would ship the customized laptops directly to the end customer. Then stock levels are there. Stock levels, how much stock or inventory you should have with you. All of these things. That means you would be determining your stock levels for a long-term period. वो short-term नहीं होंगे. Then comes the tactical decisions. Of course, the decisions which would have an impact would be less than a year. Normally 6 months, 8 months के जो हैं वो इनके impact, इन decisions के impact हैं. It covers your transportation, your vehicle type. किस किस्म की vehicle type होगी. For example, whether you would be using a 40 feet truck, or you would be using a 50 feet container, or a truck जो उसको लेके जा सके, or you would be using the combination of truck and trailer for the movement of your carriage from one city to another city. Tactical decisions हैं. Then you would have the contract hire kind of a negotiation. Contract करना है आपने, या for that period of time you would hire some trucks for it. These type of decisions. The primary routing, route क्या होगा आपके पास उसका. The delivery schedules, you have to meet your delivery schedules, and these delivery schedules would be of course less than a year, यानी 4 या 5 महीने की deliveries जो है वो आपके पास मौजूद हैं. तो उसके लिए जो डिलीवरी स्केड्यूल्स हैं, टैक्टिकल डिसीजन लॉजिस्टिक्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. द ड्राइवर्स रिसोर्सेज, हाउ मेनी ड्राइवर्स डू यू हैव इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन if it is owned by you. Support facility, your depot storage, what type of storage you can do in your warehouses. Do you have the permission, or do you have the luxury or license to store the hazardous materials would be there. क्या रख सकते हैं for how, ये depend करता है आपकी depot storage के ऊपर. Of course a tactical decision. design and layout of your different facilities like manufacturing facility, your warehousing facility, उसका जो design है, the design and layout setting जो उसकी है, that is the part of your tactical decision making. Of course, you can change the layout of your manufacturing facility in a shorter period of time as well. Then you have space allocation, you have storage media, handling methods, forklift truck types, and the numbers of it. Whether you are using the forklift truck, do you require such kind of forklift trucks? Then if you require, then what would be the number as per the demand? Unit loads, administration or information related things would be in the tactical decision making as well. Information system support, monitoring procedures, stock location and control, order processing and documentation. Then comes the operational level. At the operational level, you will be looking at the decisions which are like 1 week, 1 day, or at most, let's say 15 days. आपके पास इससे ज़्यादा बड़ा जो है वो टाइम स्पैन उन डिसीजंस के इम्पैक्ट का नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल गुड रिसीट्स एंड चेकिंग, गुड्स को रिसीव किया है, उनको चेक किया है, फॉरन इम्पैक्ट है ऐसे डिसीजन का, वेदर यू नीड टू रिसीव इट और वेदर यू आर द क्वांटिटी इज शॉर्ट, सो यू आर गिविंग योर let's say supplier the notification that okay there is a less quantity. मैंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट इशू कर दिया, वो डॉक्यूमेंट हम डिटेल में देख लेंगे आगे चल के कि ओके देयर इज अ शॉर्ट क्वांटिटी इन विच यू हैव शिप्ड, या उसके अंदर डैमेज जो है वो मौजूद था. बल्क स्टोरेज, वेदर यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ बल्क स्टोरेज. ऑर्डर पिकिंग, आपकी वेयर हाउसिंग में ऑर्डर पिकिंग स्ट्रेटजी किस तरह की है. स्टॉक रिप्लेनिशमेंट, ऑर्डर मार्शलिंग, ऑर्डर को आप किस तरह मूव करवाते हैं अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में. लोड स्केजुलिंग, रिटर्न्स, हाउ वुड यू लुक एट द रिटर्न्स, उन रिटर्न्स की पॉलिसी क्या डिफाइन की हुई है, वो पॉलिसी की बेस पर हाउ वुड यू एक्ट. देन द पर्सनल अवेलेबिलिटी, आपके पास किस तरह की ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मौजूद है. द स्टॉक अपडेट एज वेल एज द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कंप्लीशन of vehicle maintenance, vehicle workshop activities. All of these activities would be a part of your operational activities. So we have seen that in logistics, the span would be from strategic to operational. Yes, importance is there for all the three decision making in or the planning horizons in logistics, but they have to be dealt either in isolation or there is some interdependency. Most of the time they are interdependent decisions. Lekin you will first take your strategic decisions. Logistic network, how would you, what are your inventory policies? All of these things would be coming under your strategic logistic decisions. Then you will have the plan for your tactical decisions and what type of tactical decisions you would make, and which would actually translate into the specific goals or objectives which are covered under operational decision making. Thank you.